Hmm. What happened? Yes, yes, yes. Now good. Okay, so I live in Agra, nearby Taj Mahal. I hope you must know about Taj Mahal, right?
Yeah, I know.
Hmm.
So,
So where are you from?
your state is UP, right?
Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. And where are you from?
Uh, I'm your neighbor. Like I'm from Bihar.
Oh, Bihar. What do you do for living?
I'm a student right now.
Okay. What kind of
I'm
study?
studying in 11th standard.
11 standard. Okay. So who suggested you this application?
About this application, a YouTuber, yeah, a YouTuber. I was watching her videos, and she suggested that there is an app called Episode, and where you could talk to people
Hmm.
worldwide. So that's why I downloaded it.
Okay. So how long have you been using this application, and what is your experience about it?
I have been using this application for the last 12 days, I guess, and my experience is quite good. Like, it's a very wholesome experience, and you can talk to foreigners and Indians as well. And while improving English, you can also improve your communication skills. So
Hmm.
it's quite good, and people are nice and generous here. So
Hmm.
overall experience is quite good.
Yes, yes, yes. Hmm. So how is
So, how
how is weather over there?
uh, it's quite hot here. Like uh,
No, bro.
35 to 40 degrees Celsius is common for a day.
So today weather is very cloudy in Agra, and I am enjoying natural air, bro. You can see, you can see the tree behind me.
You are lucky, man. Like here, it's quite hot.
Yes, bro.
In evening, we also do have that kind of air blowing, but right now it's just a shiny day.
Hmm. Yeah, sunny days very bad for me, and I always enjoying cloudy weather. And now I'm sitting on the chair on the roof and talking to you, and I thought I should enjoy this weather
Yeah, you should enjoy.
with
So,
communicate.
what do you do? Are you a student?
Yes, bro. You can consider a student because recently I have given my last year exam, and now I'm waiting for my result. After clarifying my result, I will complete my graduation. If you want to know about like what kind of graduation I have done, so my graduation name is BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. It's all about business and management. If you want to know about like what kind of scopes I can use, I can choose after completing this graduation. So I can choose many path, many scopes, like I can easily become HR, accountant, and marketer, and sales, and finance. So
Okay.
this kind of scopes I can easily choose. Hmm.
So is that why you are trying to improve your English?
Sorry.
So this is the reason for you
Yes,
to improve your English.
yes, yes, bro. That's why I'm using these applications, and I have two more application to improve my English communication. And yes, bro.
And
And
what are they?
sorry.
I mean, what are those applications? Can you
Yes.
tell me about them?
Yes. Why not, bro? If you want to know about application, so yes, I will tell you. Uh, my first application is a Peer Up application. Second is Hello Talk application. Like if you are beginner, so you can use Peer Up application. If you are intermediate, and if you are fluent, so you can use Hello Talk application. So these applications
Okay,
are very helpful for
I
me.
do use Peer Up.
PEERUP, Peer Up. You know about it?
Yeah, I
Hmm.
said I do use it.
Oh yeah, yeah. So nowadays,
Yesterday I downloaded it.
Hmm.
A guy from this app suggested me to download it, so I downloaded it, and it's good. Like my experience on that app is also good.
This application is good, and now like recently I installed this application like before 2 days or 3 days ago, and now I'm using regularly this application, and I this application helped me to improve my English and communication skill also, and I can face the camera, and I can communicate front of the people easily. So it's a very
That's
good,
good.
very good for me.
So, beside these apps, what else do you do to improve your English? Like,
Uh,
do you do something else to improve, like some other activities?
Apart from these applications, right? Okay, so I
Yeah.
do many things to improve my English and communication skills. Like I watch English videos and podcast, and I do sometime I do shadowing practice, and I do many kind of step escape. Like I I don't do write, and I don't do read. I don't read books. So I do escape two activities only, and I do many activities, yes, related to
Okay, I
English.
got it. So, I read like I like to read books because I mostly read thrillers like novel.
Hmm. So you want to do you want to talk more with me?
Yeah, I can see that. So,
Hmm. Oh, bro, time is over.
so
Maybe.
no, it's not over. We could talk more 7 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see.
Yes, yes, yes. Great.